Okay, hello, students of class 9. Today, this is the first video regarding geography, and the first chapter is India, size and location. Yeah, I hope everybody is right now safe at home. So, today, the first chapter is about India, size and location. As you all know that India is our country. It is a vast country where you can find it out a different type of a landmass regarding their relief, regarding their location, their size, as well as it is bounded by the Himalayas. So we are going to learn about it. Clear? Now first we are going to learn about location. India is a vast country lying entirely in the northern hemisphere, which is above the equator. The mainland extends between latitude 84 degree north and 37 degree north, and longitude is 68 degree east and 97 degree east. So it is a vast country which is lying entirely in the northern hemisphere. As you all know that equator is the line which divides the earth into two equal halves. So one is a northern hemisphere and one is a southern hemisphere. That is why India lies in the northern hemisphere. Now the Tropic of Cancer divides the country into two equal halves. So to the east and the southwest of the mainland lies the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and its capital is Port Blair, and Lakshadweep Island in Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea, and here Lakshadweep's capital is Kavaratti. Please understand. Clear? Now next one, we are moving towards the size. Land mass of India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometer. India's total area accounts for about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. Now from this it is clear that India is the seventh largest country of the world, but in the case of area, and second largest populated country in the world after China. Clear? Now, next one, India is bounded by the Yangfol Mountains known as the Himalayas in the northwest, and it was called Yangfol Mountains because India lies or formed from 50 million years as it was collided with the Eurasian plates. So India was a large island connected in the Australian coast, and then it was broke apart and moved towards the northeast direction and got submerged in the Eurasian plateau or plate as it is bigger in size. Okay, so what happens here, when the smaller things collide with the bigger ones, then the smaller things stops moving and the mountains are formed as the Himalayas, and Himalayas are known as the chains of mountain. Now despite the fact the east-west extent appears to be smaller than the north-southwest extent. Clear? Now next one, from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh there is a time lag of 2 hours. Since we cannot afford to have two different timings, that is why we adopted standard meridian known as the Indian Standard Meridian, and this is measured with the help of the longitude which passes through the Mirzapur in UP, and UP is known as Uttar Pradesh. Clear? Next one, India's landmass has a central location. This is a very important part. Okay, Indian landmass has a central location between the East and the West Asia, as India is a southward extension. That is why India falls in the central location. It is a part of Asia and has established a close contact with West Asia, Africa and Europe from the western coast, and with the southeast and the East Asia from the eastern coast. So no other country has a long coastline like the Indian Ocean as India has. That is why India got its name from the Indian Ocean. Clear? So children, this is today we have already learned about the location, size, as well as India is bounded by the Yangfol Mountains. Then we have already learned about how India had adopted the standard meridian, Indian standard meridian, how India and the world, like how India landmass has become a central location, what importance that the Indian landmass has got the central locations. So we have all gone through this. Clear? So next class we are going to learn about the travelers, those who used to visit India to the mountain pass, and after that we are going to learn about different neighboring countries of India. Clear? So please try to understand the chapter. It is not that hard, but if you try to understand the chapter, I've already sent it out the PDF of the India size and location, and even if you have not got, again I'm going to send it to you. Clear? So please go through this chapter, try to understand, and when you go to the videos, please see the PDF first, then go through the videos, and this is how you can help it out. Clear, children? So stay blessed, stay safe, and please, if you have any queries and doubt, please let me know. Okay, thank you.